Hey, hey, hey. Here is another live reaction video. This bad boy was literally just delivered by the post office today. Just a few minutes ago, actually. So, this is a live unboxing. And I already split it open with the trusty blade. But now I'm going to open it up for the first time. This is first time I'm seeing this. Woohoo! Nice. Love the motorcycle, the chopper pictures. So classic for the era. And of course, we've got King of the Nighttime World lyrics. And this is a black vinyl version. The red vinyl wasn't, or the red and yellow vinyl wasn't available, but nice pictures from what I presume to be the Destroyer tour. Whoa! Ticket stubs. Nice. Nice. Look at that. Backstage passes, maybe? Or movie post or show posters. There you go. Yeah. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So, not sure which disc this is. And again, I may touch this. Okay, this is the demos. And of course, I'm touching it, but this will be cleaned ultrasonically later, so probably as soon as this video is done, I will be cleaning this record, because today happened to be record cleaning day here. So since I'm working from home, just jump up and clean records as soon as they're done. So there's the sleeve, the classic reproduction of the original album sleeve. And here we go. Here's the book. It's a copy of a master tape. And nice booklet. This is paper, which is a little different than the nice picture. It's a great shot. Ace has his boots that came from previous tour, because his other boots were not ready yet. What was this? I wonder if they'll have any shots from the tour they did when they still had their alive outfits. Some nice pictures there. Bob Ezrin there. Standing in front of a record store. Great display. Oh, nice. Awesome picture of Paul. Bloody Jean. Here's some pictures from the making of, and of course I dropped my phone. It's a good thing the record wasn't there. So here's some reproductions. Japanese copy, German copy, original cover, and pre-release cover, or whatever you want to call it, with the alive outfits. Classic picture right there. Some posters. I'm presuming are some 45 LP 7-inch covers. Nice stage shot here. And finishing it off with an awesome black and white group shot. And grayscale group shot. So yeah, that's and here we go. Here's some final tape pictures. So that's it.